they got all the concrete poured, so right now they're just letting it set up so that they can smooth it out and make it all nice. And the cat is crawling into their equipment. Why are you trying to crawl in their hopper? So this is the first time walking on the concrete. It's all set up, and I'm going to set a plastic sheet across the top of the concrete just to keep it from freezing at night, because we still do get an occasional really cold evening, so just so the water doesn't freeze and just to protect the concrete. So we're going to reuse some recycled railroad ties to build retaining walls around the basement. So I've got the first load, and now I got to go back in and get another trailer load. So that'll be probably a couple more runs. Railroad ties are really heavy. Today I'm starting to build it. I got all the ties yesterday, and today I'll start piecing them together.